Hey buddy, what's going on? Welcome to Hunter. In this tutorial, I will show you how to insert data into a database by using query builder, and next tutorial by using Eloquent. Okay, let's start. So first, this is our view page. When we click add contact, we get another page which include a form. Okay, so now go to layout.PHP and add contact. Now when we click add contact, first it go to a route, and route name we declare here, just here. You can write two way. One is URL2 and second is route. Okay, so now first I use URL2 and our route name is add contact. Okay, so now I just write URL2 add contact. It shows a form, it shows as a form, that's why it's get method. Okay, so now route get, and our URL name is add contact, right? So just I write here add contact, and it's go to a controller which is contact controller. Last tutorial we made it. Now which method? Contact controller which method? I just write this method. Okay, but I write a meaningful method like add contact. Okay, and semicolon must. So you can use camel case add contact, just copy it. When we get add contact route, it goes to contact controller add contact method. So contact controller add contact method, but there are no method here. Just create a method public function add contact method, and it's okay. It not insert data, it shows as a form. Okay, just return view. So return view a file, but we don't have any file here. Just click a file, add underscore contact dot blade dot php. Just save it. So contact, just return view add underscore contact contact. Now let's check, reload it. Click here, yes, add contact route are here, and it shows us cause add contact page, just it. I just can extend here. Which file I extends? I extends layouts. Okay, I extends layouts, and which section? Its content, and finally end section. So now hello world, just reload. And again click, yes, sidebar coming, and hello world also coming. Now a form, set a form. We open dashboard, form. This is a form. I just copy here a form. This is a form. I just copy it and paste it here. Now save and click add contact. Yes, it shows as a form. You can design based on yourself. You don't need a select option. You don't need this. You don't need this. Not needed this. This is disable. Not needed. Not needed. Okay, we just need 3 fields. First is name, name. Second is email address, and third is mobile number. Okay, yes, full name, email address, mobile number. Submit, save change. That's been add contact and cancel. Not needed. No needed to cancel button. Okay, now save it. Now this is a ebook file. No need to value. Just set a name, which is name, because our database field is name. Our database field is email, name. Our database field is phone. Okay, so database field is phone. That's good. Our all environment setup for CUDA version. Yes, name, email address, and you can also use placeholder. Email, phone. Okay, all are text. It's 7 now. Okay, now so okay, name, email and phone. Add contact. When I press add contact, our data will insert on our database. So environment setup, I just also create all contact. Now I just use route. Route is all dot contact. Okay, so you can use like it or like it. So when you use a route, you must be use a name. So just copy. So this not matter, all contact, but you must be use a name, and this field and this field are must be same. If you get or if you write another name here and also here, but it's not working, remember it, both are same. Okay, so now when you click here all contacts, and this method is all contact. So contact controller all contact, contact controller all contact, no method are here. Just write a method, public function, it's all contact. It's also provide us a view file with data, but this time I not show you, I show you later. Okay, all contact. Now contact controller return view all contact.blade.php. Save. Now let's check. Oh, route all contact. What's happened? Save all names now. Contact. Yes, it's our insert file and it's our all source file, but we don't write extents on all contact. Extents is layouts and the section is content and must be in section. Okay, and all contact are here. Now reload it. Yes, it's boom. We just show on a table our contact and edit, delete, update, all are showing. So okay, our all environment is set up. So finally, so if you are new to channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and also join our Facebook group Learn Hunter. Thanks for watching.